ZCAR Stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video. Looking at Zoomcar Holdings, yeah, 26% correction is a bit, I'm not even gonna lie, it's a lot. And with this in mind, I don't think that this is really has kind of a way out currently. I mean, I'm not saying it's over, but the plane is kind of crashing. I've done 40,000 videos. I've spent 5 years trying to figure this skill out, so I've kind of seen what's working for me and what's not. Yes, we've had like a reverse split, and this thing just keeps melting. That's all I'm trying to say right here. Like, unless I see the price kind of still continuing to kind of melt, there's just no way that I'm gonna look to sell, right? So ultimately, looking at ZCAR, there's no confirmation that I'm just not willing to take things further down. So yeah, that's how it's actually looking like for me. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description. Get my emails for free, of course. And that's about it. That's all I can say, at least for right now. Goodbye and enjoy.